this is Sun. I haven't done a video like this in so long, but today I'm going to do an unboxing video of HapaKristin. They requested for me to do an unboxing for them and review their lenses. I did receive lenses from them before, and I'm wearing a pair right now. These are the HapaKristin Violets. I'm going to zoom and show you. My lighting is not the greatest in here right now. I picked out these lenses. They always let me pick them out. The shipping is really fast. Like, I requested these like a couple days ago and they're already here. So they're in this nice pink bubble wrap. Oh, and yeah, I do have red hair. Do I look different in red hair? I recolored it yesterday and I'm loving this red hair. Here is the box. I really like the design. Their box didn't look like this before. I'm sure they have different boxes for different editions. This is the limited summer edition by HapaKristin. It has like this cute beach vibe to it. Open it up. Wow. It says, "Don't forget your sunscreen." This is a cute box. Let's see, what does it say? Summer plans, chilling on the beach, waiting for you. So right here, HapaKristin, secret treasure. Follow the map to find Hapa treasure. Caution. Hey, Kristen, I just crashed on a deserted island. I'm chilling on the beach sunbathing, but I think it would be nicer if you join me. If you need a break from the world, come and join me. That's so cute! Oh my gosh. They didn't give me this before, but this is so nice. These are both lens solutions. These are just lens solutions here. I don't know why there's two different colored ones. They're both the same size. I'm guessing it's just because it's cute to have two different ones like this. One of them says Sunday morning and one of them says Monday morning. I'll show you here. Show you the lenses that I have here. They're all 1 month lenses that I picked out. This is the xoxo in the color Hazel. To open these and put them away in their little cases overnight before I start using them. Remember to do that before using your lenses. You don't want to open them and use them right away because the solution in here is different than the solution that you use to store them with. So great that they gave me those two. That's really cute. I always need extra lens solution. I always get mine in 0. I don't have a problem seeing, so I just get mine in 0s. This one is the Kristin green. Kristin green. Peaceful Kristin blue. I see there's stickers popping out, so I'm guessing there's something here. Oh, so there is stickers. And looks like they didn't give me lens containers this time. I got cute stickers. The last time that I got lenses from HapaKristin, they came in this box, which was really cute, and it came with a lot of like lens cases so that I could put the lenses in. I'll probably use the last two that I have that are empty to put like 2 of these ones in, but I really wish that this time they sent me lens cases, because if you don't have lens cases, that means you have to buy extra ones. I love their packaging, by the way. Their packaging is super duper cute. I'm going to go to the review of these 3 lenses to show you guys what it's all about. So let's get on to it. So I don't have way too much to say about these lenses this time, but that I love all 3 of them. I do have a coupon code that I'll link right here and also down below so that you guys can check out the lenses and use the coupon code for yourself. This one is actually my favorite, this green. This is the Kristin green, which stands for greatest of all time, Kristin green. I love this pair because in the sunlight you can see this nice green color. It's not too unnatural, and it also does stand out, so that's why I love this pair. It's very comfortable. All 3 of these lenses are very comfortable. That's why I love them. Again, they're 1 month lenses, super easy for me to put them on, and it doesn't really bother my eyes. I can wear them all day. I've worn this pair for 9 hours when I was in San Francisco. the other day, and I love it. It was still very comfortable. I don't know what I was doing with this next makeup look with my bottom lashes. But anyways, this one is the Kristin Hazel. I really love this color because it stands out again. It's like this orangey, hazily color that I really like. You can really tell that I'm wearing lenses, but it's also not too unnatural, because I know I have a lot of friends who buy circle lenses who don't want them to be unnatural. So this one is just a perfect brown and orange type of color, and it stands out because of that ring on the outside and the inside. You can see in between where that hazel color lies. The last pair that I have is the Peaceful Kristen Blue. I really like this because it was better than my expectations of this pair of lenses. It was more blue than I thought it would be, and it's like a very soft type of blue. You can see the small like ring, dark ring around it. I really like that and how it blends into my eyeball, I'd like to say, and it blends into it very nicely, so it's not too unnatural looking. Again, these lenses are super comfortable, and that's all I have to say about these lenses. I just love them so much, so I just wanted to show you them here. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing and review. Please remember to comment, subscribe, like, all that stuff. Share my video with your friends and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I post new videos. I post videos really randomly now. I just do it when I have enough time. I know that last year I said I quit YouTube, so I'm not on YouTube way too much, so please follow me on my other social media. My Instagram I'm very active on. I actually have a TikTok now, so if you want, I'll put that down below. Thank you for supporting me. If you've supported me since like, I don't know, 2011 or something, when I started doing all of this, please comment below. Thank you for all of your support. Or if you followed me since like 2014, 2015, thank you guys so much. And talk to you guys next time. Bye.